Hi, this is Teacher Nicole from Literacy Pittsburgh. This is a video for Citizenship class. We will talk more about colonists. Colonists. People came to America from Europe in the 1600s. Europe is a place. England, France, Germany, Denmark, the Netherlands, Poland. All of these countries are in Europe. People came to America from Europe in the 1600s. 1600s is 100 years. 1600 to 1699. 100 years. 1600s. People that came to America are called colonists. People that came to America are called colonists. Colonists came here for freedom. What is one reason colonists came to America? Freedom. Let's look at this picture. In this picture, we see people. There are men wearing hats. Men wearing hats. The men wearing hats are buying and selling people. Buying and selling people. The people here are slaves. Slaves did not have freedom. Slaves did not have freedom. Slaves were bought and sold. Okay. In this picture, this is a market. The men in the hats are shopping for people, shopping for slaves. They will buy the people. They will make the people work very hard. The people, the slaves, have no freedom. They must work very hard with no choice. No choice. Slaves. Slaves were bought and sold. Okay. Bought is past for buy. Today, I buy groceries. Yesterday, I bought groceries. In this picture, slaves, people, were bought and sold. African people were taken to America and sold as slaves. African people were taken to America and sold as slaves. What group of people were taken to America and sold as slaves? African people. African people. Okay. Let's talk about the colonists again. Colonists lived in the 13 original colonies. In the 1700s, the British king was the leader of the colonies. Now it is the 1700s, 100 years, 1700 to 1799. In the 1700s, the British king, King of England, was the leader of the colonies in America. No president in the 1700s. In the 1700s, they had a king, the King of England. We say British king. British means from England. The British king was the leader of the colonies. In the 1700s, Britain was the government of the colonies. Britain. Now we say England before Britain. In the 1700s, no Washington, D.C. In the 1700s, no President Trump. In the 1700s, King of England and Britain were the government of the colonies. Colonists had to pay high taxes to the king. Colonists had to pay high taxes to the king. Tell me about this picture. They are fighting. It is a war. The colonists are fighting the British. The colonists are fighting the British. The colonists were angry. The colonists fought the British. Remember, the colonists had to pay high taxes. The colonists did not want to pay high taxes. They were angry. They fought the British. Today I fight. Yesterday I fought. Fought is past for fight. The colonists fought the British. They had a war. The colonists fought the British because of high taxes. Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes. The colonists won the war. They were free from Britain. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence? Today I write. Yesterday I wrote. Thomas Jefferson before. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Yes, Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence declared our independence. The Declaration of Independence declared our independence. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Declared our independence. The Declaration of Independence was adopted on July 4th, 1776. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776. Now we celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. We celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. Happy birthday, USA. When do we celebrate Independence Day? July 4th. Let's practice the questions again. What is one reason colonists came to America? Freedom. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Because there were 13 original colonies. What group of people were taken to America and sold as slaves? Africans. Africans. Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776. When do we celebrate Independence Day? July 4th. Now, let's practice writing. You can write your answers, take a picture, and send to me. Independence Day is in July. Independence Day is in July. Independence. 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 Day. DAY. July. JULY. Independence Day is in July. We have to pay taxes. We have to pay taxes. Pay. PAY. Taxes. 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 We have to pay taxes. Flag Day is in June. Flag Day is in June. Flag Day. FLAG. Flag. Day. 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 June. 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 Flag Day is in June. Listen. The flag is red, white, and blue. The flag is red, white, and blue. The flag is red, white, and blue. American Indians lived here first. American Indians lived here first. American, American. Indians, Indians. American Indians lived here first. Now let's practice reading. Who lived in the United States first? Who lived in the United States first? When is Independence Day? When is Independence Day? What do we have to pay? What do we have to pay? When is Flag Day? When is Flag Day? What are the colors on the American flag? What are the colors on the American flag? Thank you for watching. Happy 4th of July!